Welcome everybody to another 360 adventure. This time, we're at Disney World's Winter Summerland Mini Golf. And now for some family rules. The winner of each hole gets 1 point. No points are given if the hole is tied. The person with the most points wins. Plus, we have a couple other rules, but we won't get into that. As of now, here is the score. Now let's get into it.
Okay.
Mom's already got a point.
That's awesome.
Very intense.
That's not so good.
Got a good bounce? No?
Yes.
All right.
You have to hit it a bit far.
Or you can do like these, it goes into the Never Land.
Or you can put it in
That's a
bounds.
What?
Get it out of bounds.
Oh, that's perfect. Oh, that's perfect.
Where's it coming? Where's it coming?
Where is it?
Where'd it go?
Hello? Can you see it? Oh, you're just gonna...
Put that one in. That should knock both of them down, hopefully.
There they go. Well, don't hit mine.
Okay, give me mine.
I know, but it was going faster. He's gonna get farther than mine.
All right, who's furthest away? Black is furthest away. You put this in for a big, huge, massive two. You're going the wrong way, Jacob.
Hit it too far on the thing.
You're going again, Jacob. No. You keep the ball there and hit it.
Man, I suck with this.
All right, don't stop the ball. You have to let it go where it goes. So Lisa's hitting for 3.
Go in, Bob, go in. Oh, so close. This is for, what, 5? Yes! Well done!
Who's black?
Well that was for what, 5?
Yeah, 5.
Go ahead, Emma. Knock that in. All right.
Are we both still on 1?
Yep. So if I put this in, it'll be 2. If you put it in, you'll time me, and it'll be a wash. So here we go. Going for the 2.
Yes!
All right.
Okay, put it in, Sam. Tie him up.
We're.
Don't we'll go with it.
Go ahead. Just tap it in, please.
Nice one. That's far.
All right. That's 1 for me.